How to use Instagram's message to reveal feature new update 2024. Hey there! Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Instagram's latest feature, message to reveal. With this exciting addition, you can now create intriguing Instagram stories that are initially blurred. Your followers can only unveil the content by replying to the story with a message. Let's dive into how you can make the most of this feature. Open the Instagram app and add a photo or video to your story. Customize your story with filters, stickers, and text as desired. Tap on the sticker icon and locate the reveal button. A new window will appear, allowing you to enter the text that will appear as a blurred overlay on your story. Click Done to apply the blur effect to your story. Adjust the position and size of the sticker to your preference. Preview your story to see how it will appear to your followers. Once satisfied, publish your story. Now, switch to another profile to see how it looks from a follower's perspective. Click on Message to reveal and reply to the story with a text message. Voila! The blurred content is now revealed, offering an interactive and engaging experience for your followers. I hope you're as excited about this new Instagram feature as I am. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and tutorials.